Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And of course, this week going to get off to a rather stormy week as we are watching a disturbance which continues to dive southward so far. You might recall yesterday it was over Nevada, now over Southern California. We will see this spread its way across the southern plains here in the next 24 to 48 hours, and it will bring with it the possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Storm Prediction Center still indicating a slight risk for most of the Arklatex. Perhaps the risk will be lower where it will be cooler across the north and eastern sections of the area. And all severe weather threats will be possible, as I'll discuss here in a second. Meantime, temperatures tonight and tomorrow, looking at lows tonight with the clouds thickening up, not nearly as chilly as it's been recently, as we'll bottom out in the mid-50s across the vast majority of the Arklatex. That includes 57 in Shreveport, 55 in Texarkana. Daytime highs tomorrow will range from the upper 60s north to the low to middle 70s further to the south. And you can see the thunderstorms, which will be invading the area during the course of the afternoon. So here's a look at how things will time out as we check in with Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST. And you can see that tonight the clouds will increase across the area. Slight chance for a scattered shower, but the main event will be tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. You can see those scattered thunderstorms beginning to develop off to our west early Friday afternoon. That activity will begin to spread into the area during the late afternoon and early evening hours. You can see some rather strong thunderstorms at that time frame along the I-20 corridor. That activity slides its way further to the east, and by midnight, most of the stronger storms should be to the north and east of our area. We'll be left with a few showers and thunderstorms, but it looks like the worst will be over for us by then, and then we will see conditions dry out for the most part for the rest of tomorrow night, and we'll see a kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine across the area for Saturday. Now, as far as the threats that we'll be dealing with, let's talk rain first of all. There is the potential with a couple of waves of very heavy rain that some parts of the Arklatex could pick up anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. This is the high-resolution version of FUTURECAST showing you most of the area, as I mentioned, 1 to 2 inches. We could have those pockets of over 2 inches, and again, a few isolated 4-inch totals will be possible. That could basically produce some localized flooding across the region. Now, as far as the severe weather threats, let's talk about, first of all, hail. Hail will be a possibility, probably going to be strongest to our west in the afternoon, but you can see the chance will be there across much of the area, especially the southern half of the Arklatex is where FUTURECAST showing that potential could be higher. Again, we could be, especially the west part of the area, looking at quarters to maybe some ping pong ball sized hail as a possibility. Tornadoes also possible. This is a look at where FUTURECAST is kind of indicating we could see some rotation. And as you look at this, don't zero in on exact location. We're looking at strength as well as general location. So it does appear probably East Texas, Northwest Louisiana is where the chance may be a little bit higher, but keep in mind this could happen a little bit further to the north and definitely could happen a little bit further to the south. And again, that risk will move more east during the nighttime hours Friday night. Beyond that, we're going to be looking at improving conditions for the weekend, as here's that disturbance which is going to roll through the area. Here it comes right there. Thunderstorms fire up tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. It moves through. Upper level ridging will take its place. Lots of sunshine most of Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then here comes another disturbance that'll move in probably Tuesday night, Wednesday is the time frame. Some models are as late as Wednesday evening. Some models are as soon as Tuesday afternoon. So we still have some discrepancy in timing. That's probably one reason why SPC has not included any kind of severe weather risk for our area, because not exactly sure on the timing. I do think the conditions will be there for some severe weather risk whenever this system comes in. Right now it looks like Tuesday night, Wednesday could be the best time to look at as far as potential arrival. And then we'll see that push on through. More upper level high pressure behind it should settle in and keep us quiet for the rest of next week into next weekend before maybe another slight chance of rain by the end of next weekend. So let's put all of this together in your 7-day forecast, and you can see that we are looking at conditions across the area over the next couple of days that will be warming up against severe weather. Weather ready day for tomorrow. Weekend looking pretty nice with highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Mid 80s for Monday. Slight chance of rain Tuesday. Most of the storms Tuesday will be to our west, and then we'll see those rainfall chances increase for Wednesday and Thursday. Highs will ease back into the 70s once that second system does push through. Overnight lows in the week ahead will basically be in the 50s and 60s. So overall, we are looking at, again, the severe weather threat for Friday afternoon and evening. Weekend looks nice with more severe weather possible by the middle of next week.